Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to get on top of your finances in 2025, you have probably heard of Intuit Credit Karma. Today I'm diving deep into a full review and tutorial of the Credit Karma app, showing you how it works, what's new in 2025, and whether it's worth your time. And for now, let's get into it. So first off, what exactly is Credit Karma? Credit Karma is a free personal finance app that helps you monitor your credit score, track your credit report, file taxes, and even find loan or credit card recommendations, all in one place. In 2022, it was acquired by Intuit, the company behind TurboTax and QuickBooks, and the app has gotten even more integrated and powerful since then. Interface and dashboard tour. Now let's look at the dashboard. Right when you log in, you will see your Vantage Score 3.2 credit score from TransUnion and Equifax, totally free, updated weekly. Below that, you have got sections like credit factors. It shows what's helping or hurting your score. You have recommendations section, which are tailored offers for credit cards, loans, and even auto insurance. Net worth tracker section, and this is a newer 2025 feature that pulls in your accounts to show your overall financial picture. You can tap each area to drill down and get more details. Credit score breakdown. When you tap on your credit score, you get a full breakdown of the key factors: payment history, credit card usage, derogatory marks, age of credit history, total accounts, and hard inquiries. This is super helpful if you are trying to improve your score. Credit Karma even provides tips and simulations showing how actions like paying off debt or opening new accounts might affect your score. Tools and features. Now let's talk about the tools. Credit Karma isn't just about your credit score anymore. Here are a few standout features in 2025. Instant Karma. You can actually get surprise cashback when you spend at partnered stores. It is like a little reward for using your linked card. Credit Builder Plan. This helps you build credit by making small payments toward a Credit Karma savings account reported to credit bureaus. Tax filing. Yes, you can still file your taxes for free using the Credit Karma tax feature. It is now more streamlined and syncs with your IRS info if you have used TurboTax before. What is new in 2025? In 2025, Credit Karma has introduced a few updates. Number one, smarter net worth tracking. You can now connect crypto, retirement accounts, and even track home equity. Subscription monitoring tracks recurring subscriptions to help you cancel unused ones. Number three, dark web monitoring alerts you if your personal info is found in any breaches. Overall, it's becoming more like a full financial dashboard rather than just a credit app. Pros and cons. Alright, now let's break down the pros first. Number one, it's totally free. Two, weekly credit score updates from two bureaus. Tons of educational tools, great for beginners and anyone looking to improve their financial health. New features like net worth and dark web monitoring are very efficient in this app. Cons. Now let's take a look at the cons. Because as we all know, nothing is perfect. Only shows Vantage Score, not FICO, which lenders often use. Some recommended products are sponsored, so not always the best deal. Ads can feel a bit pushy at times. Credit Karma doesn't support Experian, so you are not seeing the full 3 bureau picture. Who should use it? So who is this app for? Credit Karma is perfect for anyone starting their credit journey, monitoring their score, or looking to improve their financial knowledge. If you are more advanced and want all 3 pure scores or a more detailed credit simulation, you might need a premium tool. But for a free app, Credit Karma delivers a lot. Conclusion. To wrap it up, Intuit Credit Karma in 2025 is way more than just a credit score app. From tracking your net worth to helping you build credit and even file taxes, it is an incredibly useful tool for managing your money, especially at zero cost. And that's all for today's review. If you found this review helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.